addirittura usciati su come sapone.
Pare che c'è una ricca sti milioni.
Lo sapeste che stanno rapendo un'altra potia?
Ci credi che sti milioni
Stamattina campavo un solano presso.
Cheer up, Samuel. Your father thought you'd enjoy this. You want me to tell Signore Trapani his son has no interest in his work?
Pain in the neck?
I see you walking well enough when you're done.
How is it looking?
Nearly there. More stems made their way in than we would have liked. We'll have to sift through to be safe.
Salutiamo. Chi dice famiglia? I russi si stavano buttando l'arancia non so
At this rate, we'll be hunting into the night.
You invite Tequila, this is what you get. The man never wakes up before me.
Ah, Caruso, ciao.
Ciao, Enzo.
Mamma mia! I missed...
Luca's looking for you. He's in the stable.
Grazie, Gaspar.
We have a few people to visit today. All down in the valley.
It's a lot of riding around. Your nag better be up to it, mine boy.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. Do you make these visits often?
Often enough. Don Torrisi likes to call in on his clients every now and then.
Every fucking week.
All right. I'm around for whatever you need. Just tell me what to do.
Hey, you hear that, Cesare? That's what the work ethic sounds like. I'm on knee!
Go! Ever had to get physical with anyone, Caruso? Must have gotten rough down in the pit.
I had my own.
There's more than lonely miners to fend off out here. You think you can step up?
Stop acting tough, Cesare. Doesn't suit you.
He's unproven. This is a man's work.
Oh yeah? Then I should have left you at home.
Who do you protect the people from for this money?
There are thieves and bandits all through the hills. They prey on everybody. And the law, the guardie, they don't help.
They're just as bad as the bandits.
Life is tough out here, Enzo. And so, people turn to the Don when they are in need. He just asked for something in return. To dip his beak, you might say.
A little taste here and there, that's all.
We've got to make a quick stop up ahead. There's an olive farmer we need to see.
This is our first collection?
That's right. But this should be straightforward. The farmer, he rents land from Don Torrisi. He makes good money, always pays on time. Just watch and learn. Here we are. This won't take a minute.
Signore Trapani, it's good to see you.
Salutam.
Please, I'll mind the horses. My father's in his yard.
Grazie.
I'm old. Everything hurts. And my son prefers the bottle to the rake. But who can complain?
You need to shake some sense into him. A man your age shouldn't work like you do. Aside from the aches and pains, how's business?
Olives grow, and we make money. Speaking of which,
And no trouble?
who would bother us? This is the Don's land.
Well, you know where I am.
Of course. Please, give my regards to Don Torres.
I will. Cesare, Enzo, let's go. We have more stops to make.
As you said, easy.
Marco has rented land from the Don for many years. We provide protection for his family and his land.
I drive these collections in half the time and have you back in time for lunch and a little nap with Valentina.
It's not about the speed, Cesare. We don't need the attention. Okay, next stop's going to be a farm. They produce lemons, and the owner's late on his payments.
Finally, we get to have a little fun.
Follow my lead. Both of you. It shouldn't be too much trouble.
They look worried.
They know why we're here.
When we do business, people look the other way if they know what's good for them. He'll be in here.
So we head inside?
Pick all the fruit you can carry as a token of my respect.
That's very kind. Perhaps you can send those up to the estate. But I am here for the money you owe. As we have discussed before, the Don is always working on your behalf.
And as I have mentioned before, I have no need for protection.
Adversity can strike when you least expect it. I strongly advise you to pay what you owe.
Thank you for your concern. But I can handle my own affairs.
Very well. Then I will leave you in the hands of my friend here. Enzo?
Tja, you're going to shoot me? Offer 100 lira. You want to point that at someone? Point it at me!
The hero.
Pay what you owe and nobody gets hurt.
All right, all right. There's money in the back room. Give me a minute to fetch it.
Don't go to any trouble. Enzo, are we happy?
Very.
You got what you came for. Now get out of here.
So good to see you, as always. And thanks again for the food.
Please, don't choke on it.
I know what you're going to say. We got the money, didn't we? I didn't shoot anybody.
This time, you control yourself. When I apply pressure, it has a purpose. When you get loud, it's emotional. Learn the difference.
Whatever you say. So, Caruso, you still prefer this to life in the mine?
What kind of question is that?
If you'd spent a day underground, you wouldn't ask.
Nah, don't be so dramatic. It's no easy thing out here either.
Enough, Cesare. Our next stop is the quarry. The owner took a loan from the Don to finance his latest venture, but we haven't heard anything since.
So, same as last time?
Let's wait and see. The owner usually pays on time. Something is not right.
About that redhead. Gabriella, was it?
Mazzari. Not this again.
Hey, how am I going to meet a girl to marry if I don't try a few out? And what about you, Caruso? You getting any?
No,
I heard that pig that was butchered for Isabella's name day has a sister.
You handled yourself well back there at the farm. In our line of work, you have to know when to push and when to pull.
Would we have, taken it?
What's all this?
What is closed, signore?
Not to us, it isn't.
We're with Don Torrisi. Out of the way.
Lazy bastardi are just standing around. Shouldn't they be hitting rocks or something?
Let's find the owner and get to the bottom of this.
You got the lead. We can wait out here all day.
Stand aside. I need to speak with your boss.
No boss of mine in there.
All right, then. How about you get out of the way before I put a pick through your skull?
Be my guest. Saves me breaking this door down. You ask that deadbeat where our money is.
Signore Vanaglio, open up.
Who is it?
Luca Trapani.
My apologies for all the commotion. As you can see, matters have gotten out of hand.
What's going on out there?
Test.
You're a real pezzo di merda getting involved here.
You talk too much.
It's bigger than you or me. It's about principle.
Show him who's boss!
Where's that big mouth now, huh?
Bastard.
He's an animal.
Stay back if you know what's good for you.
All right, then.
Anyone else? No?
Quit standing around.
Get back to work.
Ming.
Your little revolution is over. Pay the
number
troublemakers
on
what
you.
they are owed, then get rid of them.
Please, send my regards to Don Torrisi.
See you in a month.